Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make fluffy pancakes. So my ingredients are flour, baking powder, some oil and some vanilla essence, an egg and milk. And also I'm going to add cinnamon because I want my pancakes to have some cinnamon flavor. So in our dry ingredients we're going to put flour. So I had added approximately half a cup, 1.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to add 2 spoonfuls of baking powder. So teaspoons of baking powder. It might look like a lot, but it will help your pancakes to be fluffy. So 1 and 2, so that's enough. These are the dry ingredients. I'm going to also put a pinch of salt, and I'm going to add sugar, a tablespoon of sugar. So these are the dry ingredients. You're going to whisk them up until everything is mixed up. So I added my sugar, tablespoon of sugar, and just a dash of cinnamon because I like the cinnamon flavor. Then you're going to put this aside, and then on my wet ingredients I have a glass of milk, I have 1 egg, I have a dash of vanilla, a bit of vanilla just for the flavor, and then I'm going to add, so here you're going to add, if you have melted butter you can add your melted butter, but me I added oil, so you can use also cooking oil. You can even put melted margarine, still the same. So I'm going to whisk this up and then mix it to my dry ingredients. So these are my wet ingredients already whisked. I'm going to add it to my dry ingredients and whisk it all up and then set it aside for like 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm going to make my fluffy pancakes. So you don't over mix it. I'm just going to mix it quickly and then set it aside. So this is the consistency you'd want. You don't want to over mix it. And then now I'm going to heat up my pan so that we bake them. So this is our pan. So we're brushing some oil and make sure it's hot, and then once you start putting in your pancakes, reduce it to medium. So this is our batter, our pancake batter. We're going to scoop and put into the pan. I'm going to do 3 scoops. So you're going to flip them once you see the bubbles on top of the pancake. You can see it's forming the bubbles, so we can flip the first one. We can start flipping. They're nice and fluffy. So we're going to do our second batch. Make sure it bubbles at the top, then it should be ready to flip. Our pancakes are done. Look at that. So fluffy, so yummy. You're going to enjoy this with a cup of tea. Yeah, kindly try out this recipe and tell me what you think about it. Thank you for watching.